Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at Fluxer and answering the big question, is Fluxer actually worth using? Now, Fluxer is a newer communication platform designed for friends, groups, and online communities that want more control over how they chat and connect. And one of the biggest things that makes it different from platforms like Discord is its strong focus on privacy. Fluxer is open source, which means its code is publicly available and the platform isn't built around ads or selling user data. Now, when you first open Fluxer, the interface will feel very familiar if you've used other community chat apps before. You can send direct messages, create group chats, and organize conversations into channels for different topics. And this makes it really useful for communities, friend groups, or even small teams that want organized discussions. Fluxer also supports modern messaging features like markdown formatting, file sharing, and automatic previews for images and videos. On top of that, it includes built-in voice and video calls, screen sharing, and customizable audio settings so you can communicate easily with your group. Another big highlight is customization. You can upload custom emojis, apply themes using CSS, and even self-host your own server if you want full control over your data and community. Right now, Fluxer is still in public beta. So the platform is actively improving and new features are being added based on community feedback. So is Fluxer worth trying? Well, if you care about privacy, customization, and having more control over your community platform, Fluxer is definitely worth checking out. So that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!